Welcome to Rather Be Teaching. I'm Janelle Carroll, and let's get started. Today, I'd rather be teaching Station to Station. Let's take a look at how you're going to be collecting team submission. So time is up. The clock has counted down. So at the conclusion of the day's class, each group or team is going to be submitting their work products for you to score and review. So before the next class, you will be comparing those team submissions and ranking them from first place, which is a gold medal, to fourth place, which is a lead medal. Now, medal winners are announced at the start of the next day's class, and you're celebrating and showcasing those top quality submissions while adding kind of a friendly sense of team versus team competition. So comparing team submissions is a little tricky. Basically, you're looking at submissions on the same task, right? This was on that persuasive article. So when you're looking at those submissions and deciding who's going to get the gold medal, first place, you're really going to look for things that you feel are super essential. Now, I can say that I gave the Play-Doh team first place because I saw a lot of really great details, text evidence, page numbers, great teamwork all together, and that is why I decided to give that team that first place. Also, I'm showing the class the next day at the medal ceremony why that particular group of students got first place. So students start to see, oh, I really need to up my game, and maybe I need to start putting in page numbers. Maybe I need to get a little bit more text evidence in. So you start to see student submissions getting better and better as the week progresses, which is really cool. All right, make sure you stick around for the next video.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.